So in this video we're going to have a look how to get a gas line from your gas meter to your garage in order to have your gas heater installed later on. So this is our detached garage. It's 20 feet away from our home and 65 feet away from our gas meter. And first thing you're going to have to do, you're going to have to determine where your gas heater will be sitting. So we decided to have it sitting in this area here because it's kind of the closest to the trench we are digging here for the gas line. And that's basically the main thing you're going to have to do by yourself. You're going to have to dig a trench line from your gas meter to the location where your gas heater will be sitting, because you cannot install the gas line by yourself. You're going to have to hire a certified gas fitter who can pass inspection by the city and somebody who can pull the permit. And our guy got it done for $1,000, and you might be able to get the same quote if you do this trench by yourself. And it wasn't even that hard. It took me a couple of hours just for a few days. So let's go ahead and see where we start. We started digging beside our gas meter and went right under this patio. What was actually really nice that we could get around this patio instead of breaking it into pieces, because our contractor used the flexible hose, what's going to actually make it really easy for you, where you can kind of improvise your trench line and get around the stuff as long as you're sitting on your own property. And our local building code says that we have to go minimum 18 inches deep from your topsoil to the bottom of your trench where your gas line will be sitting. It doesn't say nothing how wide or narrow it can be, so that's totally up to you. I basically use a regular shovel from Home Depot, and the width of my trench is basically width of the shovel. And this is where our gas line supply will be sitting for our future garage heater installation. And that's basically all you have to do. After you pass the city inspection, you're going to get a green sticker, which actually means you're good to go and you can finally shovel this dirt back in this trench. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.